Hi everyone, I'm Flori and I'm an occupational therapy student. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Creighton's Health Sciences campus in Phoenix. This awesome open concept space is great for studying or catching up with classmates between labs and lectures. Our patio is also the perfect spot for soaking up some desert sunshine while getting work done. At Creighton, we're all about interprofessional education, so we train alongside other healthcare professionals in real-world clinical scenarios. Our home care lab is a simulated apartment where we learn about challenges our patients may face at home and how to provide healthcare and rehabilitation for their daily lives. After listening to lectures in our classrooms, we head to the rehab lab. We use the cutting-edge equipment and technology in this space to apply what we've learned in class. Located in the heart of Midtown Phoenix, our campus offers easy access to explore, and when it's time for clinicals, we are just a short distance from the Phoenix Medical Quarter. Thanks for joining us on the tour of our Phoenix campus.